what's up guys, we're back again with another video, and I honestly can't wait. I just thought about this video and I was like, man, I can't get it out of my head and I have to do it. So yeah, let's get right into it.
As you can see, we got our spray paint in our basketball.
What I'm going to be doing is getting this old basketball and I'm going to hydro dip it.
Hydro dipping is where you put a bunch of spray paint and water and make like a cool design, and then you just dip it and it'll go onto the basketball.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna like time lapse it and it's gonna look really cool. So I got everything set up, I just gotta get some gloves and we'll get right into it. This is probably as clean as we're gonna get the basketball. I really did my work on this basketball. Been through mud, concrete, but mostly mud though, so yeah, let's get the dipping. We got our basketball taped up. I taped up the stuff I wanted to keep, like the team name, Miami Heat. Later on I might get some white paint and fill in like the cracks and stuff, because you can barely see Miami Heat. Alright, here's our colors that we're going to be using. Let's get the dipping. So yeah, that's our colors. It's okay. Oh, she did it. Shots of that up close. So alright, time for the other side. That's so cool. I might do the sides a little bit more, because look at that. Not really that much on the sides. And most of it's been getting on the tape instead of the actual basketball. So, I gotta find a place for it. We probably won't need that much paint for the sides, but you never know. Oh, whoa, that's like bubbling, dude. That's crazy.
Boy 50.
Alright. That's good. That's so cool. Alright. Well, that's a dip, and yeah, that'll be done. Bro, that's so cool. Damn. Alright. Our basketball is looking amazing, and I cannot wait. Oh, I thought there was something on the camera. But I cannot wait until the basketball is actually like dried and finished. Because here, let's look at it again. It's looking really nice. I mean, I could have dipped it one more time for that side. That should be alright. What else? Right, let's get to unwrapping, shall we? Tape looks pretty cool.
Boy 50.
Not as cool as I thought it was going to come out. Like, the tape looked cooler than the actual basketball. Like, yeah. I don't know, this is kind of a fail in my opinion, but I think I could get some more paint and then like paint this, like paint the whole Miami, paint the red part, go over it, and then it'll actually look pretty cool. But the main like problems in the project was the black spray paint wasn't working. I completely forgot, but the black spray paint dries out faster. Depending on certain spray paints that you use when you hydro dip, you have to use an oil-based spray paint. You can't use a dry fasting, because if you use a dry fasting, it just won't work out when you're trying to do your design. But like the red and stuff, it looks like a camo kinda. So that's kinda cool. But it's not what I was really wanting. But yeah, we'll try. We might do another video finishing this up and doing something else, like a shoe. I don't know about hydro dipping it, but we're gonna customize a shoe. I got a plan for it. But yeah, there's a lot of other videos I want to do in the future. Sorry about last week for not uploading. I was trying to come up with ideas, and this is one of the ideas that I came up for this week. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. And I'll see you next video. Peace.